Hello everybody, today we are going to learn laboratory work number 4, the team development of database structure, creation of tables and requests. The purpose of the activity: make with development of database structure, creation of tables and requests. Plan the winners. First, create an efficient and effective database and then use it to organize, find and report information. Second, post the database reports on the web. Third, take steps to protect personal data that is stored on corporate and government databases. On this slide, glossary is presented in three languages: English, Russian, and Kazakh. Tables, таблица, кестелер, queries, запрос, сұраулар, forms, формы, пішіндер, reports, отчеты, есептер, pages, страницы, беттер, macros, макрос, models, модульдер, screen, экран, меню бар, строка меню, мәзір жолағын, database, toolbar, панель инструментов, база данных, деректер қорының, құралдар тақтасы, objects бар, объекті бар, нысандар бары, database, objects and wizards, объекті база данных и мастері, деректер қорының нысандары және шеберлері. Database window, окно базы данных, деректер қорының терезесі. Analyze, анализировать, талдау. Manage, управлять, басқару. Manipulate, манипулировать. Retrieve the data, извлечение данных, деректерді шығарып алу. Chart, диаграмма, кесте. Button, кнопка, түйме. Introduction, введение, кіріспе. Microsoft Access is a powerful relational database application that you can use to store all kinds of data from a simple list of recipes to a catalog with tens of thousands of products. After the data is stored in an Access database, it's easy to find the related data. Second, analyze, manage, manipulate, and retrieve the data. Display the information as a chart, graph, or web page. Print or publish user-friendly reports. Automate after repetitive tasks. Export the data to other programs such as Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. Protect the data from errors. Microsoft Access usually consists of several objects. An Access database might contain up to 7 different object types. First, tables. Tables are stored database data in rows and columns. For example, one table could store a list customers and their addresses, while another table could store the customer orders, and the database must always contain at least one table where it can store information. Queries. Queries ask a question of data stored in a table. For example, a query might only display customers while from Paris. Forms. Forms are custom screens that provide an easy way to enter and view data in a table or query. Reports presents data from a table or query in a printed format. 5 objects is web pages, a special type web page designed for viewing and working with Access data from an internet or over the internet. Macros help you perform runtime tasks by automating them into a single command. For example, you could create a macro that automatically opens and prints a report. Like macros, models automate tasks, but by using a built-in programming language called Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA. Models are much more powerful and complex than macros. On this slide, you can see an Access database structure. Starting the Access program. There are several ways to start Access program. First, on the Windows taskbar, click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Second, on the Start menu, select All programs. Third, move the mouse pointer up and point to Microsoft Office. Move the mouse pointer over and click on Microsoft Office. Access 2003. If Microsoft Access is not listed on the Start menu, click Run, enter MS Access exit in the Run dialog box. Understanding the Access program screen. On this slide, you can see desktop Microsoft Access. First, this menu are Database Toolbar, Objects bar, and Database Objects under Wizards. In this section, Database window. The Database Toolbar allows you to perform tasks quickly without using the menu. Some of buttons in light gray are not available until a table or object is opened. Database Toolbar consists is these elements: menu, open, save, print, print preview, cut and copy and paste, of links, relationships, and etc. Opening a database. You can easily open an existing Access database. First, from the menu bar, choose File and Open, or on the Database toolbar, click the Open button or press Ctrl-O. Second, use the Look in drop-down menu to select the drive and folder which contains the file you want. Third, either double-click on the file name or select the file by clicking on it, and then click the Open button to open the file you want. A database is a collection of data stored in a computer in a systematic way so that it can easily be accessed, managed, and updated. A flat database is a simple database model where all the information is stored in a plain text file, one database record per line. The relational model, all information in the database stored in related tables, each consisting of rows and columns. Microsoft Access is a powerful relational database application that you can use to store all kinds of data, from a simple list of receipts to a catalog with tens of thousands of products. An Access database might contain up to 7 different database object types: tables, queries, forms, reports, pages, markers, and models. The Database toolbar allows you to perform tasks quickly without using the menus. A blank database is a database file which contains no database objects or data. An Access database gets MDB file extension. A database with Access 2000 file format can be easily converted to Access 2002 or 2003 file format with Convert Database utility. The compact option reduces database size by removing temporary objects. By using templates and the database wizards, you can create a database with little effort. Tasks for laboratory work. Read the theory. Second, make a glossary for the following terms: database, object, table, field, record, primary key, origin key, relationships, query, form, and report. Third, match these words to screenshots A and S. A is a form, B is report, C is table. Practice task creating a single table database. First, start Microsoft Access. Second, in the blank database panel on the right-hand side, the window, enter the name of database, stomatology. Third, click on the Browse button and choose where you would like to save this database. Press OK. Fourth, click on the Create button and you will be present in new database. 5. Select the Create tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Then click on the Table Design button in the Table group. At the top of the Table Design window in each row, enter a file's names and data types. Use figure first as a guide. In the clinic are 2 floors and cabinets ID within the range of from 100 to 130 and from 200 to 230. At the bottom of the table design window in the field properties bar, enter the condition for the cabinet ID field. In the condition for value row, click the expression builder button, enter the condition quarter and equal 100 and less equal 130, or quarter and equal 200 and less and equal 230. In the error information row, enter this ID is not found. Once all the fields are added, click the Save icon. Enter a table name Doctor. Click OK and you will see your table in the navigation panel. A primary key is a field or set of fields with values that are Unicode throughout the table. Values of the key can be used to refer to entire records because each record has a different value for the key. Each table can only have one primary key. Make the Doctor ID a primary key for this table. To select Doctor ID file, click on Primary Key option. In the ribbon, you can see a little key icon that will show up text to that file. Save the table and give this table name Doctors. So guys, thank you for your attention.